we're going to saute a small seared chicken breast, which I have marinated earlier for our Caesar salad. Now, Mr. Caesar is not here, but Mr. Salvatore is here. So we're gonna, and I beat the chicken a little bit with the hammer, so it's like little tender, as you can see. And we want to make sure it's really hot with the oil. I put a little bit avocado oil so it doesn't smoke as much as with the olive oil. But basically I marinate it with the paprika, oregano, garlic, salt and pepper, a little bit olive oil. Look how beautiful, yummy, 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 yummy. This is how you want it. And then we're gonna chop them up and put them on the salad. Now I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to cover it, okay? So it's going to sit there for 10 minutes and let it sit. It's seared by itself with a little steam. It's going to make our chicken real juicy inside. Because it's a chicken breast, usually it's very dry if you don't know how to cook it. So make sure you cook outside real fast and a little crunchy, but the inside gonna stay moist if you just turn off your stove right away. So we let it sit for 5-10 minutes, then we're gonna take it out. Okay, we're making a Caesar salad today with a chicken breast seared slowly in olive oil, and we pre-marinate it with the garlic, salt and pepper, and olive oil. So we took it out after 5-10 minutes in the pan. As you can see, still smoking. And here's this is the one. I made 2. So now I'm gonna slice this. I wanna show you how you can just make it at home, and look how nice and juicy. And then next day you can eat them cold. Okay, I'm putting the chicken on top of my romaine. I shredded some carrots, and then I have some shallots I'm going to add. It's just a few. I like it. It has nice and crispy flavor. And then I have some shredded fresh Parmesan, aged. You want to put that. A little bit. And I'm going to put the rest of the chicken. Look how juicy. Oh my gosh, look. You can't get juicier than this. Super juicy. Very tender, nice, crispy outside. No need to bread your chicken, especially when you're doing this. Super fresh tasting. Of course, we're gonna season a little bit, and black pepper, always. And now I'm gonna pour some olive oil, cold pressed, extra virgin vinaigrette. You can add your own dressing, but I chose vinaigrette, balsamic, olive oil. Buon appetito, guys!